Are you looking for the best free audio editing websites to enhance your audio projects? Look no further. We have compiled a list of the top 2 websites that offer outstanding audio editing capabilities without any cost. Let's dive right in and explore these amazing platforms. First up is website number 1, a user-friendly and feature-packed audio editing website that is completely free to use. This platform offers a variety of tools and effects to enhance your audio recordings, whether you need to trim, cut, or merge audio files. This website has got you covered. With its intuitive interface, you'll find it incredibly easy to navigate and edit your audio files with precision. One of the standout features of this website is its extensive library of audio effects, from reverb and echo to equalization and noise reduction. You can apply a wide range of effects to transform your audio into a professional-sounding masterpiece. Additionally, this website allows you to adjust the volume, pitch, and speed of your audio files, giving you complete control over your edits. But that's not all. Website number 1 also offers convenient options for exporting your edited audio files. You can save your work in various formats like MP3, WAV, or even directly upload it to popular platforms like YouTube or SoundCloud. This makes it incredibly convenient for musicians, podcasters, or any audio enthusiast who wants to share their creations with the world. Now let's move on to website number 2, another excellent free audio editing website that you shouldn't miss. This platform offers a straightforward and intuitive interface that makes editing audio files a breeze. With its wide range of tools and effects, you can effortlessly edit and enhance your audio recordings to perfection. One of the standout features of this website is its real-time audio preview. You can listen to your edits as you make them, ensuring that you achieve the desired results every step of the way. This allows you to fine-tune your audio files and make adjustments on the spot, saving you time and effort. Additionally, this website offers a plethora of advanced features for more experienced users. You can apply filters, adjust the equalization, or even utilize its powerful noise reduction capabilities to eliminate unwanted background noise. With these advanced tools at your disposal, you can take your audio editing skills to the next level. Website number 2 also offers seamless integration with popular cloud storage services. You can easily import and export your audio files from platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox, making it convenient to access and store your projects. In conclusion, if you're in search of the best free audio editing websites, these top 2 options are the perfect choices for you. With their user-friendly interfaces, powerful editing tools, and extensive libraries of effects, you'll have everything you need to create exceptional audio recordings. Don't wait any longer. Start using these websites today and take your audio editing skills to new heights.